Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB, and I am a reseller on Poshmark as well as eBay and maybe soon to be on Etsy. Stay tuned for that. On this channel you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from what sold videos to hauls and some tips and tricks along the way. Right now I am doing a 3-part series where I do ThredUp unboxings. So ThredUp, you can go and get rescue boxes from them of their rejects, and you can resell them for hopefully a profit on Poshmark or eBay. I have already done one video where I unboxed 5 name brand purses. I'll link that above as well as below, and so you can check that out and see how that went. My video that I'll be doing today is the DIY t-shirt box, and later I will be doing a shoe unboxing, which I'm pretty sure I got 25 pairs of shoes. That one has not shipped yet, so I don't know when that video is coming out. Okay. But like I said, today's video is the DIY t-shirt unboxing. I wanted to do this and I purchased it because I had not seen any the DIY t-shirt unboxings on YouTube. I've seen a lot of the denim ones, and I've seen a lot of, designer brands and the shoes ones and all that. So I was excited to see something that I hadn't seen before. There might be other videos. I don't know. It just hasn't come my way yet. But I did, and it piqued my interest. Then also the price. So the box, which cost $28, and shipping was $5.99. You get free shipping on ThredUp for anything over $75, but obviously that is $28 is not above $75, so I had to pay for shipping. Total, I'm reading off my cheat sheet, which is actually like a label. I'm so like profesh. Okay. In total, so the box was $33.99. We'll go ahead and say $34. It's a mixed size t-shirt box. It has 25 items, and so that breaks down to a cost of goods of $1.36 per item. So, not really sure what to expect in this box. Like I said, I've never seen them unboxed before. I'll be pretty happy if I don't get one of those free t-shirts that you get for like joining the gym or something. Like if there is a Planet Fitness t-shirt in here, I'm going to consider it a fail. So no Planet Fitness t-shirt. Probably consider it a good thing. I just, you never know. All these unboxings of ThredUp are very mixed. So you just never know. Also, 2 things before we start. My puppy is in the room, Teddy. So if there's noises in the background, I'm sorry. That is her. She's playing around. I did take away the plastic bag she was playing with earlier, so hopefully she'll be good. Right now, she seems to be playing with her shadow. Okay, that's very quiet, so that's good. Another thing is I'm sorry if I look like half dead. I've been in the car all day for work, and came home, ate, packed, because I'm going to be leaving tomorrow to go to, oh, she's not playing with the shadow, she's playing with something. Looks like a label. Anyway, packing to leave tomorrow to go to my parents for the holidays. So yes, leaving tomorrow to go to my parents for the holidays. So I packed up and decided I wanted to make this video because I'm really excited to see what's in this box. But I packed up all my makeup, so I couldn't refresh my makeup. I look a little sick. I did put some mascara on, but I don't think you can tell. And I could have thrown some lipstick on or something, but oh well. This is not a beauty guru channel, so it's fine. All right, 25 items, $1.36 an item. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna put comps up here. If I don't know, well, no, I'm just gonna put comps up here, so check that out. And at the end, I'll tell you whether or not I thought the box was worth it. So this is what it comes in. This is the same. Oh, you stole my pen. Anyway, this is the same box that the handbags came in. So that's cool. All right, so we got the invoice on top, just telling me how much I spent. And then looks like the handbags, things are just wrapped in one big wrapping and not individually wrapped. I know sometimes they come individually wrapped. Anyway, all right, so let's see what we got here. Right up first, we have a striped t-shirt by Loft. Oh, Lord. Okay, so this is cute. It's embroidered and striped, but it is an extra, extra small petite. This is about it's about the worst size you can have. Not the worst size. I mean, if you are that size, that's beautiful. All sizes are beautiful. It's just a sale. This is not like petite and extra, extra small. Anyway, so it's the loft. It's vintage soft. It's still cute. I could probably, hopefully, you know, I'll put it up above, but I mean, this looks like a baby could wear. It's maybe $10. We'll see. All right. Next, we have another loft, an extra, extra small petite. Oh no. It's getting a theme. And this one is just a black shirt with kind of a lace, crochet detailing here on the sleeves. I really hope we get different sizes. Okay, next we have, now I'm just looking at the size before anything, an extra, extra small, at least it's not a petite. And it is J. Crew Factory, and it is just a striped shirt with extra glittery stripes on it. Okay. All right, this looks like a plain t-shirt. Oh, it's new with tags, but it is Wet Seal, which is a mall brand, a rather inexpensive mall brand. It is a size medium, so we got a difference. It is new with tags, but it is just a plain navy blue t-shirt. You know, I wasn't expecting a lot, so I mean, this is just for fun, really. Okay, next we have a Gap Factory shirt. It is an extra large Gap Factory, and it is just a plain kind of mint green t-shirt. This is actually my size, so I might just keep that one. Okay. Oh God, really? Okay. Sorry. This is Croft & Barrow 1X, so it is a plus size. It's just this floral t-shirt. Croft & Barrow, I believe, is sold at Kohl's. Okay. Oh, Lord. So, like, I don't know. Like, I was thinking maybe I had an optimistic viewpoint of, like, band tees or something. I don't know why I thought it was going to be, like, graphic tees or whatever. Anyway. All right. So, this is Moroni, which is a Target brand. It is an extra large, so again, my size. So, but it is just a plain black t-shirt. So far, I'm not recommending this box, just FYI for reselling. All right, then we have an eyeshadow size small. It is just a plain green t-shirt. You know what? They could at least like not just a plain t-shirt. You know, they could have put something else in here. Oh well. I don't know where eyeshadow is sold, actually. Maybe Macy's or something. I have no idea. This is Ilu, I-L-U, gray t-shirt, size medium. I mean, I knew they were going to be t-shirts, but I was kind of hoping for like a more interesting, what are you eating? Okay. More interesting t-shirt. Oh wait, this might be the Target brown. Massimo? Is Moreno not one then? Oh, anyway. Okay. Size large. It is just a striped t-shirt. I feel like this is a men's shirt. No, I mean, this is like a women's large, so. Okay, looks nice. It's a plaid, like a buffalo plaid, long sleeve t-shirt. It is by No Boundaries. Yay, it's a size large. That's a very small large. I think No Boundaries is sold at Walmart, maybe. This might have been a waste of $33.99. Okay, so this is not a t-shirt. This is a tank, by the way, ThredUp. This is a tank top, not a t-shirt. It's Faded Glory, which is Walmart. Size large. It is a must-have tank, at least, you know? You must have this tank. Oh, God. Man, I'm feeling apologetic that y'all are watching this video. Oh, well. Another tank top. These are not t-shirts. Tank tops are not t-shirts. Okay. Basic Editions, which I think is sold at JCPenney's. Not JCPenney's. Maybe JCPenney's. At Kmart. Size large. Striped tank top with a little button detail. You know, I guess a little pizzazz there. Oh. Bongo, which I don't know where that's sold. Size large. Blue t-shirt. You know, they could have thrown in something, you know? Could have thrown in something. A little something, something. Okay, we got Champions, but it's just a plain blue shirt. Or is this blue? Ah, doesn't matter. Okay, another tank. No, that's not a tank top. This is a long sleeve shirt. Size medium. Yes, size medium. It is by SO, which I think is sold at Walmart. No! Don't! Oh. Whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, oh gosh, Faded Glory again. 3X, black t-shirt. Like, I mean, they could have thrown in one cool t-shirt, you know? Like, something, you know? I don't even know what that would be, but one graphic tee, something. Anyway, this is Liz and Me for Catherine's, which I don't know what that is, but it is a 0X. It's just this orange shirt with a little bit of embroidery in the front. Okay, this is Faded Glory. Sold at Walmart, size medium. Alrighty. Okay, this one has writing on it. Oh, it's an American Eagle. Size extra small. And it says A Eagle in NYC Live Dream. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What is this? No, what you? See, I would just like give her the t-shirts to chew on, but I don't want her to learn she can chew on the clothes. Hey, why are you so rowdy? Why are you so rowdy? I know she's getting very like fuzzy, but she hasn't had all her puppy shots, so she can't go to the groomer yet. So, what are you doing? Be nice. Go play. Anyway, it feels really nice. It's a size small, but it's still, I mean, it's a tank top. It is not a t-shirt, but I would not consider tank top t-shirts. But it's got the shark bite hem. It's by Tresix. I don't know. I've heard of it, but I can't remember. I don't remember where it's sold, so. Active Basic, no idea where that's sold. Size medium. No. Hey, I'm gonna put you in the box. You wanna go in the box? You wanna go in the box? I'm taking this out. I'm gonna put you in the box. I mean, I'm not gonna close the box, everybody. I'm not gonna close the box. Okay. So this is Daydreamer, which actually I think is sold at Nordstrom. Oh God, I'm not gonna be able to. Rosé s'il vous plaît, which is French, which I think means rosé, please. So, you know, that's cute. I mean, I wouldn't have been mad if the whole box was like on this level. I wouldn't have been too mad about that. Oh gosh. Arizona, extra large. Pretty sure this is sold at Walmart too. Last t-shirt, Moroni, size large. All right, so bust. Definite bust. So definite bust. I would not recommend this box. I would not recommend this box for reselling. Definitely wouldn't recommend it for any reason, actually, because you can't get it in one specific size. So you're gonna get a lot of mixed shirts. pants are. You're going to get a lot of mixed shirts, so you're not going to be able to wear them. I really don't know what the purpose of this box is then. Just to get people to spend $28 plus $5.99 shipping. Anyway, so not exciting. My purse video was more exciting. Can you check that out? I promise it was more exciting than this one. I might not even, no, I mean, people should know. So let me know below if you would have just rather I not even uploaded this. Okay, so, all right, so the next video we have coming up is, well, the next ThredUp video coming up. It probably won't be the next video because this box, the other box hasn't even shipped yet. But it will be a shoe unboxing, hopefully a little bit better than the t-shirt unboxing. But, you know, it was fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be coming out with more videos soon. And if you like, well, maybe not if you like this video, but if you like Teddy, she is adorable. That is her sole purpose, is to be adorable. More, promise my hauls are usually more interesting than this. I will and I have a playlist with all my hauls that you can check out on my channel's homepage. But anyway, if you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you think Teddy's cute. I won't even say if you like the video. And, you know, leave me a comment down below what you thought about the box. Or what you think the purpose of this box would have been. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come back and watch more videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.